Hello guys, hello and welcome back to the video. And today I am going to show you how to record your screen without going on Play Store and search DU recorder or anything. You have to just go on. If you don't search here or there, you have to just go on your tools. You will see there will be a screen recorder thing. You have to click on that, and you can see this button, and you can see how I'm recording. You just click on the video button, and you can see how I did this very easy thing to record your screen. You don't have to download that or give money or go on any website. It is automatically there. Thank you.